Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of safety gloves. First, make sure your Dyson V8 is turned off and unplugged. 1. Remove the battery. Locate the battery release button on the back of the vacuum. Press it down while sliding the battery out. If you need assistance, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. 2. Access the internal components. With the battery removed, use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the 2 screws holding the rear cover. Carefully lift the cover off to expose the internal components of the vacuum. Ensure you keep these screws in a safe place. 3. Inspect for dust and debris. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the vacuum. A clean interior can improve performance significantly. If you find this task daunting, consider our pickup and delivery at your home, making the process easy for you. 4. Replace the battery. Now, take your new compatible battery. Align it with the connectors inside the vacuum and slide it into place until you hear a click, indicating it's secure. Make sure it's seated properly to avoid any operational issues. 5. Reattach the rear cover. Place the rear cover back on the vacuum and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them gently but firmly to ensure everything is secure. If you aren't comfortable doing this step, remember, we can always help. No calls, no travel needed. 6. Final check. Before you finish, check all components are securely in place. Turn on your Dyson V8 to ensure it powers up and operates correctly. If you experience any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. 7. Dispose of the old battery. Finally, dispose of your old battery responsibly, following local guidelines for battery disposal. By following these steps, you can successfully change the battery in your Dyson V8. If at any point you feel uncertain, remember our services are here to help you with no obligation. Happy cleaning! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.